Hello everyone, this is Mr. Style, and today we are going to learn how to make a contact sheet using Photoshop. So you cannot see my toolbar down below, but there's Photoshop down there. I'm going to click on Photoshop and it's going to open. At the very top of the screen, I go under File, Photoshop up there, File, Automate. So once I get the File Automate, I'm going to come down and go to Contact Sheet 2. I click on that. Now it brings me up this new window. It says right here, Source Images. I want them from a folder, so all your images need to be in one specific folder. I'm going to click Choose. Now it's going to go to my desktop. Let me go find. I'll come over to here. I'll go to my desktop, and I'm going to look for a folder that I want to use. I'm going to go to Scan Rick Portfolio 620 and I'll go Pendleton Displays. There's my folder. Has several images in it, and I'm going to put Open. The program does nothing right now except show me that it's going to use that folder. Now as I scroll down here, I want to look at my document size. I want it 8.5 by 11 at 300 resolution. Very important, 300 resolution. Now I'm going to, over here, should default to RGB color, 8-bit, I'm fine. Color profile, I don't really care. But here, very important, I want 4 columns by 4 rows. It's going to give me 16 images per page, and everybody will have the same size images. This is going to help us make the art show by printing these out. Everyone will print these out and we will end up cutting them out. So now I go rotate for best fit. That way they fit in there nicely. And make sure I have fonts on. I don't care what it is. I want to see the name so I can research and find these files. We're all set up here. Take a look at that screen. We're all set up. Now I hit OK. Photoshop is going to start making the contact sheet for me. It's going through all of the little movements. Each of these it's putting in here and giving me an image for each. 4 rows, 4 columns. Once it fills up, then it's going to start making another contact sheet. There you go. We're on contact sheet number 2. It's going to keep scrolling. Computer's doing all this work. You see over here in Photoshop, it's laying down the text, all the different layers. It does it for you. It's a great thing. My Mac is a little low. Here, now you see there's the contact sheet. I'm going to go back to the first one, and I'd like you to print these out. You go to File, down to Print, and now you will find my printer right here, E101 HP. We're going to print 1 copy. If it was in landscape, it would be cutting it off, but now we're going to keep it in portrait. It shows it. I like to hit Scale to Fit Media because now it makes them just a little smaller, but I make sure I don't cut the names off. I want to be able to find those later. Now I hit Print. It says color matching doesn't match. I don't care. Okay. And now print one final. Color again, I don't care, and it's printing me a copy right over here. I would put my name on the back end of it then and turn that in, the physical copy, for credit for this assignment. Minimum of 1 contact sheet, any images that you feel are worthy of being in the art show. Thank you, and I hope this was informational. Take care, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.